guys, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm bringing you a delicious dessert and I'm sure you're going to love it. It's called Cremitas de leche and it's a Cuban dessert. So follow me for the ingredients and follow me for the steps. Today I'm making another video. Now, I made a video recently on how to make Cremitas de leche. Many of you are telling me that you're having trouble making it, so I want to show you another way that you can make it. Now, if you had trouble using evaporated milk, then I'm going to show you how to use regular milk with it. So you're going to use 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of regular milk, 1 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to show you how you can also make it with regular milk. So let's get started. We're going to start adding our ingredients. We're going to add the condensed milk first. Okay, so next we're going to add the milk. We're going to add 1 cup of regular milk. We're going to add 1 cup of sugar. We're going to add 1 pinch of salt. We're going to add the vanilla, and we're going to mix everything together, and we're not turning it on the flame until we get all of this mixed up. Okay, so now we're going to turn on the heat. Turn on the flame. We're going to heat up a little bit. And then within 5 minutes it should start getting hot. We're going to start stirring everything together after 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and now it's starting to, the edges are starting to stick. Starting to stick on the edges, so I'm going to start making sure that I just move the spoon around periodically, just to make sure it doesn't stick. But at this point you really don't have to stir it until you start, when it starts to like bubble, that's when you really have to start stirring it. So for right now I'm just going to periodically just put my spoon inside and stir it, just so I can make sure that nothing is sticking at the bottom of the pot. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and this is what we have so far, so I'm just going to stir it a little bit more. Okay, making sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom, that's all. I'll be back. So I'm just cleaning the sides off because that's where it sticks at, and scraping around. Now I'm just going to move my spoon around to make sure the bottom is not sticking, and it's pretty good, it's not sticking. And I have my fire on medium low. So I'm cooking it slowly. I'm not cooking it very fast. I'm not cooking it on high. I'm cooking it on medium low. Because if you put it up too high, then the pot's going to burn and it's going to be a mess. You're going to have black burnt milk floating throughout your cremitas de leche, and that you don't want that. You just want it to be smooth, a smooth consistency, one color, and that's it. It's going to change from light milk, like a milkish color, cream, to it's going to turn from a cream or light white to a darker caramel color. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and the milk is starting to boil vigorously, and the milk is starting to rise. So this is when you want to, that's the reason why you want to have a deep pot. don't have a short pot, because if you do, it's going to bubble over. So I'm making sure I clean my sides, and I'm going slow. And I'm stirring every time. I'm keeping my spoon moving. It's not moving fast because it's not time to whip it. It's just basically just move your spoon around the pot and just make sure nothing sticks at the bottom. 20 minutes, and this is how the milk is now. So I'm going to stir a little bit more. Now I'm cleaning the sides of my pot so nothing sticks. And I'm just moving my spoon. Just to make sure I get everything. This is a long process, so don't think that you're gonna make these really fast. My milk is not burning, it's the same color. When you see darker Cremitas, it's either because the flame was too high, the fire was too high, or they use a different color sugar. They use either brown, they use brown sugar. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes, and this is how the milk is. It's getting thicker, so I just want to show you. I'm gonna start. I'm just making sure I clean the sides of my pot. Keep that in mind. And just keep your spoon moving. Okay, do not walk away from your pot at this point because you're definitely going to burn it. This is the next phase that it's in, and it's definitely thicker. When you start being able to see the bottom of the pot, that's when it's ready. You see how you can't see the pot right now? It's not ready. But when I do this and you see the bottom of the pot, then it's ready to take off the stove. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do a different method today. We're going to take this off the stove, and instead of beating it in a pot, stirring it open in a pot, we're going to take it out and we're going to put it in a bowl, and we're going to put it in a glass bowl so I can show you the difference. But you can make it in any, it doesn't really matter, as long as you, the thing that some of you probably are having trouble with is that the caramel, when you take it off and you put it into, you scoop it out and you let it sit, it is too soft and it's not like a cookie or hard caramel. So that's what you want it to be, able to have a little crunch to it on the outside and soft on the inside. Okay. So we're almost there. I'm going to say maybe 5 more minutes. Where we're at right now. So I'm going to start. Now this is when you're going to start stirring it a little faster than you did before. The other one was slow, and now this one is faster. Still not separating too much from the bottom, so we're going to still stir. You'll know when it's ready because it's going to be a consistency. You're going to feel it. You're going to feel it with your spoon. And what I did was I went a little bit longer, and I'm going to say, let me look at the clock. I'm at 40 minutes. Okay, so this is the consistency I'm at 40 minutes. You definitely need a lot of mussels when you're making this cremitas. Because the longer it goes, the thicker it gets, the harder it is to stir. So when the consistency gets like peanut butter, like this, it's like a peanut butter, then you want to change it into, transfer it to another bowl. So we're going to transfer it to another bowl. Okay, so I'm going to put this, I'm going to scrape this out in this bowl. And I'm going to start whipping this. This is the time where you need all the mussels you should have eaten your breakfast, because this right here is going to make it the best ever. So now I'm gonna take the spoon out now, and I'm gonna scrape the caramel off of the spoon. And the way you tell that your mixture is ready to make the cremitas de leche is to do a water test. You're gonna take a small cup of, or a bowl of water, cold water, and you're gonna take some of the caramel and you're gonna drop it in the water. If the caramel hardens up and you're able to make a ball, then you know it's ready. And I'm gonna take a little piece of this, and I'm going to drop it in the bowl and see if it gets. Okay, yeah. So it's gotten harder. So now that means it's ready to whip. Okay. So here we go. So excuse the noise, everybody. Okay, so now we're going to start forming the cremitas. So you're going to take a spoonful and you're going to just scoop it down and drop it. And just like that. You're going to take some more, put it on a spoon, and you're going to put it and drop it. Okay, so I wanted to show you the cremitas. I want to show you the bottom, and I'm going to take a bite of it so you can actually see what I'm telling you. Now look, so they're firm on the outside and they're soft and chewy in the middle. You see that? That's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be soft and chewy on the inside, and it's supposed to be firm on the outside. That's the consistency that you want. Well guys, I hope this video helps you. I just wanted to show you how to make the cremitas another way. Well, thank you again for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Hit this the bell so you'll know when I'm going to upload new videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.